Please get ready for a dictation from a write-up on High Courts in India, taken from jagranjosh.com. This is part 1. This material can be suitable for DDC skill and any other skill. 5 seconds. Start. According to the Indian Constitution, Articles 214 to 231 deal with the provisions of high courts in India. It provides for separate high courts for separate states, but according to 7th Constitutional Amendment Act, the same high court can be the court for more than one state. At present, we have 24 high courts in the country, which includes 3 common high courts. Every high court consists of a chief justice and a number of judges who are determined by the president from time to time. Article 217 deals with the appointment of judges and states that every judge of high court shall be appointed by the president by warrant under his hand and seal after consultation with the Chief Justice of India, the Governor of the state. However, there is also a procedure for removal of judges of the High Court. The powers and jurisdiction of High Court can be classified under following heads. 1. Original jurisdiction. It means that applicant can directly go to High Court and not by means of appeals. This power is used in the following matters: disputes arising out of relating to members of Parliament and Legislative Assembly, relating to marriage, law, admiralty, divorce, contempt of court, etc., enforcement of fundamental rights. Supreme Court also has this power. Cases transferred from other court to itself, which involves a question of law. Writ jurisdiction. Article 226 states that High Court shall have power throughout the territories in relation to which it exercises jurisdiction to issue to any person or authority, including in appropriate cases, any government within those territories, directions, orders, or writs. Appellate jurisdiction. It is said that the High Court is the primary court of appeal, that is, it has power to hear the appeals against the judgment of the subordinate courts within its territories. This power can be classified in two categories: civil jurisdiction and criminal jurisdiction. In civil cases, its jurisdiction includes to the orders and judgments of the district courts, additional district courts, and other subordinate courts. In criminal cases, its jurisdiction includes judgments relating to sessions courts and additional sessions court. These cases should be involving imprisonment for more than 7 years, confirmation of any death sentence awarded by session court before execution. Power of superintendence. The High Court has this power over all courts and tribunals except those dealing with the armed forces functioning in the state. Hence, in the exercise of this power, it may call for return from such courts, may issue general rules and prescribe forms for regulating the practice and proceedings of such courts, prescribe the form in which books and accounts are being kept by the officers of any court, settle fees payable to the sheriff, clerks, officers, and legal practitioners. The Constitution does not place any restriction on this power of superintendence over the subordinate courts. It is not only by means of appeal by the person it can be suo motu. It is of the nature of revision as it verifies the earlier judgments. In this regard, it is considered as a special function as the Supreme Court has no similar power vis-à-vis the High Court. Control over subordinate courts. This is an extension of the above supervisory and appellate jurisdiction. It states that the High Court can withdraw a case pending before any subordinate court if it involves the substantial question of law. The case can be disposed of itself or solve the question of law and return back to the same court. In the second case, the opinion tendered by High Court would be binding on the subordinate court. It also deals with matters pertaining to posting, promotion, grant of leave, transfer and discipline of the members therein. In this regard, it appoints officers and servants to be made by Chief Justice or such other judge of High Court as the Chief Justice may direct. Stop.